hard earnings that you did earn can go back out the door to the Internal Revenue Service just because you didn't know the rules of the game to play by. So I'm hoping today that you'll gain something out of this so that you'll be more knowledgeable, you'll understand. And this is not designed to make you an accountant. This is designed to, one, if you have an accountant or someone that you're working with, so that you're sharper to understand what you need to give to them, which is also going to help you save money in the way that you give it to them, and what you should look for. Because I meet a lot of individuals that have worked with accountants. In fact, I had a client this morning, a new client to us, and we love the new clients, and she's been paying someone for the last 2 years. She signed a power of attorney form. She's been paying someone for this gentleman for 2 years every month, and she just assumed he was doing the accounting, and he was taking her the tax return. Well, she got a notice, certified letter in the mail, that she hasn't filed taxes in 3 years. She's like, what are you talking about? So she reaches out to call him, no return phone call. She leaves a message, hey, I got a certified letter, something's going on, you probably need to get copies to the IRS, no return call. So she just looked us up out of the phone book. In fact, she's a real estate agent. I encouraged her to come out with a different company, and he won't return phone calls. And she's like, what am I going to do? She does speaking. Her husband has a remodeling company. She also has a lawn maintenance company because that was their gift to the client when they would move in the home, that they would mow the lawn for the first depending upon the season, a couple of mows free and then give him a reduced rate. So she's got all these things going on, and she's been paying him money every month, and she signed a power of attorney saying, hey, you can sign the returns, you can do what's required, and he's done nothing and will not return phone calls. So the thing is, she can tell the story to the IRS, but ultimately the IRS is going to say, it's your responsibility. I'm sorry that you paid him. I'm sorry he won't return your phone call, but it is your responsibility. So, and she didn't know. I started asking her some of these questions, and she's like, I have no idea what you're talking about. But just tell me what I need to do to start. And so that's what we're going to do today.
Similar thing just happened to a friend of mine, which is why, as a new realtor, I wanted to make sure I did everything right.
Yes, ma'am.
They got audited and got, they owe a lot of money.
Wow.
Because their accountant there wasn't even an account, whatever.
Yeah, the person just didn't take care of the necessary things.
Exactly.
And so it's empowering for you to know at least what is supposed to happen. If I'm going to pay somebody, what should I be getting from them? In fact, one of the ladies in the office made a comment this morning. She said, you would never go to Steinmart, buy a dress, and leave out without the dress at the counter. And she said, and that's what people do every time they hire someone in an accounting field and they don't get paperwork. They just assume this is the way the process is supposed to go, but it's really not. And so today, you guys all are going to have a leg up on the competition because you're going to have this information. So certainly we know why keeping records is important from the standpoint of tax returns, just so we